Assalamu alaikum everyone. In this video, we are going to talk how we can create a clock in Python. So first of all, let me create a Python file with the name clock, and then we will import Thinker from Thinker import all, and then from enter dot tkk import all, and then we will import time str time from time import str of time. Okay, and then we will add a UI. So for the UI, first of all, I will add clock equal to tk, and then I will add the title clock dot title. I will show you how it will look like clock, and then let me just show you how it will look like. So actually Kinter is used for the UI, so it is a Python package which is used for the UI. So let me just show you how it works, and then let me add one more thing, clock dot main loop, call this method, and then let me execute the code. Okay, execute code. So let me show you. So this window will open up after executing this code. Okay, so let me add some more information. Let me add the label here. So like on the window we want to add label equal to label class, and then here we will add pass clock, and then font equal to 100, and then background equal to black. Okay, and then foreground equal to yellow, like this. This is the label, and then we will pack the label. So in order to add it on the center, pack anchor equal to center. Okay, and then let me add the label. So on the label, what we want to do is to add the time and make the time incremented every second. So for this purpose, we will add a method that will be called every second. So we will define a method display time, and here we will add like string time to get the time in this format, strf time. So here we will have to add the format. So first we need to add hour, and then minutes, and then seconds, and then AM or PM. Okay, and after that we will have to add this text on the label dot configure text text equal to str time, and then we will have to call this method each after every second. Okay, label dot after, and here we need to pass 1000 millisecond, which is 1 second, and then we need to call the method display time. Okay, so here what we will do, we will have to display we will have to call the display method, display time method, and then clock dot main loop. Okay, so this is it, how it can be added. So let me just execute this file again, and here the our Windows open up. So let me just show you on this screen. Actually it is on the other screen, so let me move in on this screen. So here you can see it has been added, and it is actually updating the time after each seconds, and here you can see it is matching with this. So thank you. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and also click the bell icon so that you can get the updates of the upcoming videos. Thank you.